Welcome all. I pray and hope all of my audience and people around us are healthy during these difficult times. I am Nilima and these are my teammates Vishal and Harshit. Together, the three of us have tried to create a positive approach towards fighting and surviving the pandemic and through our website, which we believe is our first step towards the cause. Each of us is well aware of the seriousness of the situation at hand and how it is affecting us as an individual, as a society, a state, and hence an country. With everything that's going around, we feel we are at a war to survive. Through our website, we have tried to spread awareness among the folks along with providing them a single platform where we can find every information we need to counter this deadly disease without the threats of misinformation or unavailability of resources in times of need. We know there may be flaws in our work, but it is in a positive direction, so help us and bear with us. It is for everyone. Over to Vishal.
Thank you, Nilima, and a warm welcome to all. Now let's see a quick overview of how our site works and what it offers. So here is the home section, which grids the visitors and provide good access to different sections of website via menu bar, as you can see. So scrolling down, you will find the basic and essential resources which serve those in need. Here comes the first section, which offers the visitor real-time availability of ICUs, oxygen, beds, and other essential medical supplies by visiting the below links. On moving, here is the vaccination section. One can get all details related to vaccination here. On switching to the next section, here one can find essential details related to scams and frauds. On moving to the last section, one can verify misinformation and misconceptions related to COVID. Moving further, on clicking here, there are some listed toll-free services which provide instant assistance. On moving ahead, there are some other essential listed below. The first, plasma donation. Here one can get all information related to plasma donation. The next one, child adoption. Handing orphan to an unauthorized adoptee can lead to a child trafficking. So here are some guidance related to child adoption. Moving further to donation, here one can donate and help country to counter the pandemic. Coming on next, one can find here the importance of mental health. Next we have nutrition and diets. Here one can find healthy diet plans to enhance immunity. Moving forward, exercise and yoga help us to remain fit and active. So clicking on here, you will find some guided yoga exercises. Scrolling down, here are some feeds which demonstrate information with some simple pictures. We have also created categories to filter out feeds. Now my friend Harshit will explain it further.
Thank you, Vishal. By going through the explanation, I hope you have already get the basic idea about how our website works and what it is intended to serve. We tried our best to put all the information in one platform. But if anyone feels that we have left something, then he can tell us through this link. During this crisis, it is hard to find proper information in meantime. Here our site plays a key role in providing collective essential information in easy way. We tried to cover everything, whether it is query related to COVID, or some positive approach like donation and adoption, or tips and tricks to remain fit and healthy. We at Sathi believe that if we work together, we will beat this deadly pandemic soon. So here it is all about Sathi.